Are you ready to step into a high-paying career without needing a college degree? The demand for data analysts is soaring, with over 300,000 unfilled positions. In the US, this career not only offers six-figure salaries, but also remote work, flexibility, and long-term job security, making it one of the most sought-after fields today. Why data analytics? Data analysts are essential in helping businesses thrive by collecting, organizing, and interpreting data to uncover trends, predict customer behavior, and optimize workflows. Using tools like Excel, SQL, Tableau, and AI, they turn raw data into actionable insights. Here's why this field stands out. High salaries. Entry-level roles average $93,000 per year, while experienced analysts can earn $110,000 or more. Some remote roles even pay upwards of $150,000 annually. Rapid growth. The field is growing 30% faster than most other occupations, ensuring stability and advancement opportunities. Wide applications industries such as healthcare, tech, finance, and manufacturing are all seeking skilled data professionals. No degree, no problem. The data analytics field values skills over degrees. Top companies now hire candidates who complete professional certifications. You can get started with programs like Google's $49 a month, Data Analytics, Certificate through Grow with Google, certifications from IBM, CompTIA, and other reputable platforms. What do you need to succeed? Master tools like spreadsheets, SQL, and Tableau. Develop skills to present and visualize data effectively. Use AI to clean, structure, and interpret data, giving you an edge in the job market. Take the first step toward a six-figure career. Data analytics is your opportunity to secure a future-proof career in one of the fastest-growing and highest-paying fields. Companies worldwide need professionals who can make sense of data and guide critical business decisions. Don't wait. Start your journey into data analytics today and take the first step toward transforming your career and earning potential.